Each day, as you sip your coffee, massive factories run at incredible speed. Mountains of beans are turned into instant granules. With canned coffee rolling off the line in just 24 hours, enough to fill a warehouse the size of 3 football fields. Today, let's step inside that fascinating process. Every day, they feed in tons of raw coffee and turn them into 175,000 cans of instant coffee. And you know what? Instant coffee first received a British patent in 1771. It later reached the United States in 1851 and became a quick pick-me-up for soldiers during the Civil War. In 1901, American chemist Dr. Kato created the first stable method for making coffee powder. By around 1910, mass production had begun in the U.S. Throughout the 20th century, especially during World War II, instant coffee surged in popularity as major brands like Nestle and Maxwell rose. Today, instant coffee is a go-to for many coffee lovers. Hundreds of brands and sheer convenience have made it popular worldwide. Coffee is now grown in more than 60 countries. Brazil leads the world, producing over 35% of the global supply. Picking coffee cherries is delicate, time-consuming work. Skilled pickers harvest by hand, and only when the cherries are fully ripe. A bright, vivid red when sugars and flavor peak. Extra precision and care must be taken during the picking process. Harvesting too early, while cherries are still green, can seriously hurt the final coffee's quality and taste. On some large plantations, when labor can't meet the scale, mechanical harvesters step in. These machines move row by row, using controlled vibration to shake the branches and drop the cherries. Mechanical harvesting is extremely efficient, able to handle huge volumes quickly, but it's less selective, so unripe or damaged cherries may get mixed in. That's why extra sorting is required later in processing. Coffee cherries are often processed right on the farm. They're poured into water tanks and gently agitated to remove impurities. Then washed and naturally dried, spread on clean patios or raised racks, evenly exposed to sunlight. Workers turn the cherries regularly to maintain airflow, prevent unwanted fermentation, and avoid mold caused by standing moisture. The drying phase lasts 7 to 21 days, depending on the weather. Once surface dry, the beans go into a drying drum to reach the target moisture level, making later steps easier and protecting quality from excess moisture. After drying, the beans are sent to a Destoner machine, which removes soil, stones, and metal fragments, keep the raw material clean, and protect downstream equipment. Next comes size grading. Beans are sifted and grouped by uniform size to meet different market specs more easily. Inside the instant coffee factory, hundreds of workers handle up to 560 tons of beans, stored in large bins and silos. These beans are roasted at a precise 210 degrees Celsius for 12 minutes. Modern roasters use sensors to continuously track bean development, automatically adjusting heat and airflow to optimize the roast, and fully release aroma and flavor. During roasting, a trier spoon is used to sample and check progress. Then the beans are ground, and the coffee is extracted with hot water. Concentrated extract is frozen at 50 degrees Celsius, broken into small pieces, and placed in a vacuum chamber where moisture is removed by sublimation, creating those crisp, instant coffee granules. The finished product undergoes a series of strict quality tests run by experts, only after it passes during packaging. Specialists evaluate multiple metrics: flavor, color, and uniformity. Ensure every batch meets the highest standards. Once cleared, the instant coffee moves to a modern packaging line. Automatic fillers precisely weigh each serving. Single-serve sachets typically hold 2 to 3 grams. Whether you're starting your morning or need a quick lift at work, instant coffee is a fast, convenient choice. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. New videos are coming all the time.